This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by AnthonyBernosky. Great income producing 1-bedroom, 1-bath condominium with tenant through May 2025. Impact windows and front door have been installed. When sitting on your front balcony, this second-floor unit offers the perfect view of the heated community pool, clubhouse and lush mature landscaping around the complex. Seabreeze is a short distance to Residence Beach, restaurants and shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact Anthony Bernosky at 239-259-1207.